Title: Geometry, the art of shapes and space. Meaning: today, we're delving into the word geometry. Geometry is a branch of mathematics that explores the properties, measurements, and relationships of shapes, figures, and space. It's a field that helps us understand the world of form and structure. Pronunciation: pronouncing geometry is straightforward. Ɛdʒiˈɑːmətri, with a soft G and a long E. Use in a sentence. For example, geometry is used to calculate the area of a triangle or the volume of a sphere. Importance: geometry plays a vital role in architecture, engineering, design, and countless other fields. It's a fundamental area of study that influences the way we perceive and interact with the physical world. Conclusion: in summary, geometry is a word that unlocks the secrets of shapes and space, helping us make sense of the world's structure. Thanks for joining us today on your channel name. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word exploration. Until then, embrace the beauty of geometry and our surroundings.